Hi, I'm Jesse with Metroline Direct. In this video, I am answering one of the questions that I get from time to time, and that is, can I use this phone with my hosted provider like RingCentral or 8x8? The main thing that the hosted provider like RingCentral and 8x8 would look for is, does this phone have a factory installed device certificate? All VVX phones have the factory installed device certificate, and in this video I will show you what that looks like on the VVX 500, 501, 600, and 601. One more thing that I want to mention before we take a look at the phone: RingCentral and 8x8 have compatibility lists that I will post below this video for your convenience. Okay, let's take a look. So first I will hit the home menu button, and then select Settings, and then select Status, and then Platform, and then select Phone, and then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and you see Device Certificate Factory Installed. So that's what we're looking for. That tells us that this phone is compatible with RingCentral 8x8, and it should be compatible with a host of other SIP providers as well. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call or check with your hosted provider. Well, that's our quick video for today. Don't forget to check out the links at the bottom of the video, and I hope this helped you out. If so, let us know by clicking the like button at the bottom of the video. That really helps us out, and we appreciate that. And if you'd like to see more videos, click the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us.